Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw managing user roles in ChargePoint Network, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the ChargePoint Network dashboard using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the User Management section located in the main menu. In this section, you will see a list of all registered users on your account. Identify the user whose role you wish to withdraw. Click on the user's name to open their profile settings. Locate the user roles area within the profile. Here, you will see the roles currently assigned to the user. To withdraw a role, click on the checkbox next to the role you want to remove. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal of the selected role. Review the changes carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, the role will be withdrawn from the user. You may need to refresh the user management page to see the updates. If applicable, notify the user about their updated account access. Repeat these steps for any additional users whose roles need to be managed. Once completed, ensure that all changes have been saved properly. Log out of your account to maintain security. This concludes the detailed guide on how to withdraw managing user roles in the ChargePoint network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.